we're just preparing the covers to replace the grills.
Right now, we're sealing up all of the registers so that no air or any leakage goes through those, so that we just know what the duct percentage is leaking. So that way we can tell you at the end of the day what we sealed up and how much we improved the duct in your home. Here we're just connecting the lay flat tubing to the AeroSeal machine, so that way we can get we can pressure up the glue inside of the duct system so we can seal it properly. All right. Right now, we're just kind of got the system in idle so that we can go upstairs and we can seal the ducts just a little bit better, help the system along so that it can go through, do its job properly. And the next part is we'll take the glue out of the equation and we'll do a post test. That way it'll give us it'll spit out some numbers and it'll give us the percentage of what we fixed in the duct leakage. With AeroSeal, it seals your ducts. It's great.